everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is a Christmas home tour, just showing you all of the downstairs of my house and how I've decorated for Christmas. And I don't decorate upstairs because I'm just too lazy. I can't lie. There's still boxes laying around that should have gone upstairs 3 weeks ago, but they still haven't, so ignore those. You'll see them in the corner of the living room behind the door. But yeah, just ignore the boxes, ignore the mess. And yeah, I hope you really enjoy. This is the last video from me of 2020. What a year. I could talk about my year, but I won't bore you to tears. It's been at home. And I've just really loved the interaction I've had with you all. So thank you massively for all of your support, all of your comments in 2020. And I can't remember what I started the year on subscriber wise, but I'm pretty sure I've gained about 13,000 subscribers this year alone, which is absolutely insane. So massive thank you from me to you for all of your support, and I hope you enjoy the video. I will be back in 2021 with some more videos. Don't know what yet. January is always a hard year. January is always a hard month. I don't know if I'm the only person who puts videos on YouTube that finds January a tough month. It's like all of your creative output has gone into Halloween and Christmas, and then January comes and it's like, what now? But I'm sure I'll have some projects lined up, and just cleaning the mess in my kitchen. I just had dinner. But yeah, I'm sure I'll be back with something interesting to watch. But drop a comment if there's anything in particular you'd like to know about resin. I'm thinking of doing a little mini series anyway on resin for anyone who's interested in resin. But yeah, that's it from me. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you so much for all of your support. It really means the world. And Merry Christmas wherever you are. You will have known that we've just gone into tier 4 lockdown down in London. I'm just outside London, southeast. And yeah, we are no longer allowed to leave our houses, so that's fine. More pajamas. I'm terrible. I just want to be safe. As long as I'm safe, I'm okay. But I hope you're safe wherever you are. And I hope wherever you are and whatever you get to do, you have a wonderful Christmas. It's just going to be me and my other half, Tim, just us, no family. We're not allowed out of our tier, and all of our family live up north of us, so we cannot see anyone. But we have technology, so we really are lucky. I'm going to stop talking because it's been 3 minutes, and that's enough of my voice. So I will see you all again in 2021, and just thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of your support. Have an amazing Christmas and a happy new year. We can't celebrate that either, but that's fine. What a year, guys. What a year. Let's hope 2021 is better. Enjoy. Bye.
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones our family and friends. Have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the Da 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 da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.